In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this curve balls animation in less than 10 minutes. Let's press Shift-A to create a mesh circle. If you don't see that in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. We need to twist this mesh a bit. In edit mode, let's proportionally move some of the vertices. Please make sure the curve is not too close. Ctrl+3 to subdivide. Let's convert this mesh to curve. Let's create a UV sphere, subdivide it, and array it. Time to use the curve modifier. Select the sphere and type S to scale. We must make sure the curve is not too close nor overlapping. Let's create a curve circle. If you don't see that in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Let's press the 3D button. Select the camera, type N to bring up the Properties menu, and put 0 on location and rotation values. We need to add some constraints. Let's add an empty object, and the track to constraint to the empty object. That will keep the camera to focus on the world center. Let's animate the camera. Time to add a material. I'll add a gradient material as usual. The material looks like that, because we haven't applied the array modifier yet. If we apply it, we'll see the end colors don't match. To avoid this issue, we must put the exact same color value for both like this. If we apply the modifier, then we'll have a smooth color transition from the beginning to the end. Let's move the spheres on the x-axis like this and animate it. Let's hover on the X location and type I, as in India, to set a new keyframe. This is the tricky part. We must increase the X value, but also match the colors accurately in order to create a smooth animation. These 5 colors in the middle need to match so the animation will continue smoothly from frame 100 to 1 without any issues. This looks good. Let's test the animation. The slowness at the end can be fixed like this. In Animation tab, go to Channel, Extrapolation Mode, and select Linear Extrapolation Mode. That worked perfectly. I'll add a ground plane, and adjust the camera's X and Y values a bit. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.